How to share contacts in Line. In today's video, I'll show you how to share contacts using the Line app, perfect for when you want to introduce friends or pass along someone's details in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, launch the Line app and go to chat where you want to send the contact. Go to on chat. Now in the chat screen, tap this plus icon next to the message right here. Tap on it. From the menu, tap on contact right here. Tap on contact. Now here tap on line friend. Now this will open your line friend list. Scroll through your list and select the friend or contact you want to share like this. Once you select it, tap on this share at the top right to confirm. The contact card will appear in the chat and the person you sent it to can tap it to view their profile or add them directly from there. And that's it. Sharing contacts in Line is super easy and takes just a few seconds. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thank you for watching.